guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and for today's video I would like to share about my basic knowledge in basic integration formula, which is the power rule, constant multiple rule, and sum and difference. So let's start. First is the power rule. So what is power rule, by the way? So the power rule is for integrals, allows us to find the indefinite integrals of a variety of functions like polynomials, functions involving roots, and even some rational functions. So we have here the formula of the power rules. So the formula of the power rule is integrand x and dx is equal to x to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c, where n is not equal to 1. So for example, we have the integrand of x for the fourth power dx is equal to x, where the n here was the 4. So 4 plus 1 over n, which is the 4. 4 plus 1 plus c is equal to x for the fifth power over 5 plus c. So therefore integrand of x for the fourth power dx is equal to x fifth over wait a second, I mistake. So 1 over 5 x to the power of 5 plus c. So if you're gonna ask me what is the c here, what is the c? So c is a constant. Okay, so it will automatically be here. So another example is integrand of x to the power of 7 dx is equal to x 7 plus 1. So x to the power of 7 plus 1 over 7 plus 1 plus c, which is the constant, and is equal to x to the power of 8 over 8 plus c. And we have the final answer here, which is the integrand of x to the power of 7 dx is equal to 1 over 8 x to the power of 8 plus c. So there you have it. Now let's move on to the constant multiple rule. So constant multiple rule is the state that the integrand of the product of the constant with the function f of x is equal to the product of the constant with integral of the function of f of x. Now we have here the formula of the constant multiple rule, which is integrand k f of x dx is equal to k integrand of f of x dx. x. So let's have for example. So k f of x is equal to x squared 5x squared plus 15 minus 20. So we have here the integrand of k f of x dx is equal to integrand of 5x squared plus 3x minus 4 dx. So where did I get this? So I get this because of what we can say, the LCD or LCM or least common multiple. So it can the 15 here can divided by 5, the 20 here can divided by 5. So, or I say factoring. So we have here the integrand of 5 integrand of x squared minus 3x minus 4 dx. You should not forget the dx value. Okay, so 5 multiplied by x to the power of 3x cubed over 3 plus 3x squared over 2 minus 4x. So where did I find it? So I use the derivative of x squared, which is x cubed to the power of 3, and the derivative of 3x, which is, wait, I've missed this sign, which is, so the derivative of 3x is 3x squared over 2, so dx. So the final answer is 5x. So you should multiply this both, 5x cubed over 3 plus 5 times 3 is 15 x squared rather over 2 minus 20x plus c. So you should not forget the c, which is the constant. So another example is, integrand of k f of x dx is equal to integrand of 2x cubed dx. So is equal to 2 integrand of x cubed dx. So apply the product rule, which is 3 plus 1 is x for the fourth power over 4 plus c. And we have here, you should cancel the 2 and the 4, which is reduced to 2, is equal to x 4 to the power of 4 over 2 plus c. That was the final answer. And now we have the sum and difference. The sum and difference, the integral of the sum and difference of two functions is the sum of difference of their integral. So let's do it. So the formula of the sum and difference are integrand of the f of x plus and minus g of x dx is equal to the integrand of f of x dx plus or minus the g of x dx. So for example number 1 was the integrand of x squared plus x dx. So we have here is equal to integrand of x squared dx plus integrand of x dx. So we have here the apply the product rule is equal to x cubed over 3 plus x squared over 2 plus c. So this is the final answer. And another example is the difference. For example is the integral of x cubed minus x dx is equal to the integrand of x cubed dx minus the integrand of x dx. So we have here the apply the product rule, which we have x to the power of 4 over 4 minus x squared over 2 plus c. So that's we have it. And that's all for today. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share to my video. I hope you learned a lot. And my name is Cheska, by the way. Thank you so much for watching.